Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create games, quiz, or trivia content by using Canva apps on your mobile. So in here, you can start by opening the Canva apps on your phone, and you can just easily find the games or quiz contents template in Canva by clicking on the search column at the top and just type in games. Click on enter. Then in here, Canva will show you the templates of games that you can use. But if you are on the Canva basic, you have limited access to the premium content like this. So I'm going to just select the free content. For example, this game of word puzzle. You can customize the template. Click on the button add here, customize this template. Okay, so here you can also change the question if you want. So this is the current question, so you can modify this template, or if you are too lazy to change the question, you can just click on the arrow to easily save it to your gallery, then post it to your social media. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.